Okay, it's like 4:15 or something like that, and I'm probably an idiot for being out here and doing this, but our power went off 2 hours ago at 2:15. I just heard a siren a couple of streets over, but yeah, we lost power, and it's still, I mean, constant rain. It's not been heavy rain, but winds have picked up. We're not even really sure. I can't figure out on my camera how to even get into the news thing to use my cellular or something. I'm so used to using Wi-Fi that I don't even know how to get online doing cellular. I have everything marked. I think I'm supposed to have marked, but just want to give you guys an idea of what's going on here. I would guess that it's even above 60 mile an hour gusts. The roaring that you hear in the background is my neighbor over there. You can kind of see the corner of the blue house right there, right there. They have a whole house generator that sounds like a freight train coming through, but no, we don't have a tornado coming, I guarantee you. At least not right now, but yeah, I'm not real sure. I think Rick said like around 2, like right before the power went off. The storm had not even made it to Daytona yet, so I would think it had made it to Daytona and pretty close to us, if not on top of us right now. There's tree limbs. We can't really see it. It doesn't really do it justice. The backyard is covered in tree stuff, mostly from all the neighbors, but the sounds from the inside of the house are pretty darn scary. It's almost less scary to be out here. It's like the sounds are just totally intensified inside the house. So far, my 2 live oaks in the back, as well as these 2 in the front, are holding up pretty good and no problems. And I just in about the last 30 minutes seen 2 cars going down the street. Crazy, crazy people. Ooh, there we go. And deal with this. It looks white looking this direction. Like anything. Maybe you would think the rain is so heavy, but it's really not heavy rain at all. It's just got a lot of oxygen mixed in with it, I think, and that's what's making it look so white. Most of this, again, is just the water dripping off my house. Winds are intense, yes. I know you hear that one. Getting on my phone and stuff and messing it up. I don't quite know if it can mess it up or not, so I don't know how waterproof this phone is. Pictures around the area if we can. Even my little boxwoods are starting to be picked on. up for now. And hope that there's by some miracle that they don't have to go outside and do anything to get our power restored, that they can do that pretty soon. But